For number 14, we need to find how far from the edge of the barn will this snowball strike the ground if it doesn't strike anything else while falling. So in order to solve this problem, we need to first find the time it takes for the snowball to hit the ground. So in order to find this time, we need to use the equation y final equals velocity initial times time minus 1/2 g times time squared. This equation will help us to find the time t when the snowball will hit the ground. Okay, so once we plug in the numbers, we're going to have -14 as our y final. We're going to have -4.5 t. This is our initial velocity, minus 1/2 times 9.8 t squared. And this equation now is going to help us to find the answer to the question, how far the snowball will strike from the edge of the barn. But first, in order to use this equation to find the answer, we need to convert this equation into a quadratic equation. Therefore, we need to write this equation as 0 equals -4.9 t squared minus 4.5 t plus 14. Now, using this equation, we can apply the quadratic formula, where this will be ax squared, this will be bx, and this equals c. So in the end, we'll have 4.5 plus minus square root of -4.5 minus 4. Here in this parentheses, we're going to have -4.9 times 14. And all of this will be over 2 times -4.9. Now, once we solve that quadratic formula, we're going to get 1.22 seconds. So this is a time t. Now, in order to find the distance that the snowball is going to land from the barn, so this distance, let's say, from here to here, we have to plug in this time t, 1.22 seconds, and multiply it by the velocity. So we have the velocity as 5.36 meters per second, and you multiply it by the time t, 1.22 seconds. And that's going to give you the distance that the snowball is going to land from the barn. So 5.36 times 1.22 equals 6.5 meters. And this is the distance that the snowball is going to land. So it's going to land at 6.5 meters from here. So here would be 6.5 meters.